WAV files have excellent sound quality. However, they usually come with large file sizes. Converting WAV to MP3 is a good idea if you wish to play it on your mobile device. You don't need a video converter installed on your computer if you have VLC Media Player. VLC can do the job for you. Here are the steps to follow. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Click on the Media menu on the top left, then select Convert/Save. In the Open Media window, click the Add button and navigate to select the WAV files you want to convert. After adding the file, click Convert/Save at the bottom. In the Convert window, under the Profile dropdown, choose Audio MP3 as the output format. Click on the wrench icon if you wish to change the file's sample rate and bitrate. Here we shall leave it at the default. Click Browse next to Destination File to select where to save the new MP3 file. Give it a desired file name and make sure it ends with .mp3. Then click on the Save button. Next, click Start to begin the conversion process. VLC will convert the WAV file to MP3 and save it at your specified location. The time taken for conversion depends on your file size. After conversion, you may want to check whether the WAV file has been converted to MP3. Right-click on the file and choose Properties. You can see the file extension is .mp3. Those are the steps to convert WAV to MP3 on VLC Media Player. Go ahead and give it a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.